In fact, any skincare product that lightens your skin in days, run away from it. Like, run away from any skincare product that will brighten your skin or whiten your skin in days, because those kind of skincare products are very cancerous and it's very, very harmful, and it will damage your skin. Do you want to have a beautiful, clear, radiant and glowing skin? Then if any of these issues, sit down and watch this video to the end. Having a glowing skin, there are essential things you need to include in your skincare routine, which is a serum. Not just a serum, but a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C helps to defend against free radicals caused by the environment like UV rays and pollution. Vitamin C helps to brighten the skin. Vitamin C helps to even out the skin. It helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, and it helps to fight against free radical or pollution from the environment. Your skincare routine is not complete without a vitamin C serum, but I will not recommend vitamin C serum for those with acne prone skin. So in this video, I'll be listing out some best vitamin C serum for a glowing, beautiful skin. How do you use your vitamin C in your skincare routine? Vitamin C should be applied before you apply your moisturizer on your skin. That should be like, it depends on the steps in your skincare routine, but that should be thing you should apply before you apply your moisturizer, which can be your third step or your fourth step, depending on the product you're using on your skincare routine. Remember, the key is consistency. When it comes to skincare, I've always been saying it that consistency is the key in any skincare product. In fact, if you want to get success in anything, you need to be consistent. So if you want to have a glowing skin, please consider using it and be consistent with any skincare routine you're doing. So including a vitamin C serum, you need to be consistent with it to get the vital and essential result or visible result. How do you apply your vitamin C serum? One, you need to apply your vitamin C serum on a clean, dry skin. And two, you need to apply like few drops on your palm, then apply it on your skin, then allow it for some minutes so it will absorb into your skin before you proceed to the next step, which is applying your moisturizer. Okay, it's also advisable to use vitamin C serum that comes in a dark bottle if vitamin C easily gets oxidized. So vitamin C serum is one of the things that you should include if you want to have a even and glowing, clear skin. The first vitamin C serum on my list is the Balanced Active Formula Vitamin C Serum. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This is the Balanced Vitamin C Serum. This vitamin C serum is very, very nice. That's what I'm currently using. It is very nice on the skin. It is non-greasy, it is non-sticky. It comes in 30 ml. As you can see here, it says Vitamin C Brightening Serum, Glow and Radiant. 3% active vitamin C, brighter complexion, improved skin tone, fades dark spot. So if you have a dark spot, you should consider getting this vitamin C serum. Skin looks instantly more radiant after use. It fades dark spot within 4 weeks. Vitamin C brightening serum is formulated with 3% active vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant to visibly brighten and fade dark spot within 4 weeks. This radiant boosting serum will improve an uneven skin tone and encourage a smoother, healthy complexion. It is suitable for all skin type, and you can apply it in the morning and you can also apply it at night. But vitamin C serum is always advisable to apply in the morning. This vitamin C serum is very, very nice. It's lightweight, it absorbs into the skin easily, it hydrates the skin, it plump your skin, it gives you a smoother, healthy looking skin. So if you want to have a glowing skin, please, you can include this Balanced Active Formula Vitamin C Serum. This is how it looks inside. It's pretty small. The vitamin C easily gets oxidized and it's lightweight. As you can see, it's pretty small, but it's very, very nice. I got this vitamin C serum for 9,500. I don't know the current price right now, but I think it should be in the same range too, or maybe 10,000 naira. But this vitamin C serum is very, very, very nice. So I would recommend, if you want to clear your dark spot, if you want to have an even skin, or if you want to have a brighter skin, you should include this Balanced Active Formula Vitamin C Serum in your skincare routine. Okay, so guys, if you've gotten to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay. The next vitamin C serum on my list is the Russian vitamin C serum. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This is it right here. This is what I was using before. When it got exhausted, I move over to using this balanced active formula vitamin C serum. This serum is very nice. It has hyaluronic acid, it contains vitamin C, it's professional anti-aging, it's a brightening serum, it's heavy vitamin C, natural antioxidant, protects cells from free radicals of aging, as well as environmental aggressors like air pollution and sun exposure. Vitamin C help brighten, stimulate new collagen production, minimize fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. This Russian vitamin C serum is very nice. It's very nice. It helps to brighten your skin. It also helps with, if you have sunburn, it helps to lighten your dark spot. It's very nice on the skin, and it's very calm and cool on the skin. And it comes in 30 ml. This vitamin C serum, I've used like, I think, 3 of these before I got this balanced active formula. I would recommend this, and it's also affordable. Like, I think it's sold right now for like 2,500 or 3,000 naira, which is actually affordable, but it's very nice. This is effective, and it will brighten your skin, it will even out your skin tone, and it will help to fade any signs of aging. But please don't expect too much from this serum, but it's very nice. It will plump your skin, it will soften your skin, it will smoothen your skin, and it will help glow your skin. So it is very good to include this Russian vitamin C serum in your skincare routine, and I'm very sure you will get effective results. I've used this countless time, and I don't regret using it at all, and I will still recommend it to you guys. If you want to get a vitamin C serum, you can include this in your skincare routine. When you want to use it, you apply it the same way I told you how to apply your vitamin C, which is applying them directly on a dry, clean skin, and you apply it before you apply your moisturizer. Okay, so the next vitamin C serum on my list is the face fat vitamin C serum. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This face fat vitamin C serum is very nice. It helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to pep up dull skin and uneven skin tone. It helps to give you a brighter looking skin, and it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This face fat vitamin C serum is very nice because it helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to brighten the skin, it helps to even out your skin tone, and it helps to glow your skin. So if you're looking for a vitamin C serum that you include in your skincare routine, you should think of including this face fat vitamin C serum. This face fat vitamin C serum helps moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and it also helps to brighten your skin. This face fat vitamin C serum is a water-based vitamin C serum which is absorbed easily into the skin, and it is vegan friendly. So if you're looking for a vitamin C serum you should include in your skincare routine, then you should include this face fat vitamin C serum. Okay, the next vitamin C serum on my list is the beauty formula vitamin C serum. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This beauty formula vitamin C serum is lightweight. It helps to brighten, freshen, and clear your skin. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B5, and it also contains vitamin E. And you know, these 3 ingredients, they are very good and effective ingredients. This beauty formula vitamin C serum, it helps to brighten your skin, moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and glow your skin. It's lightweight, it absorbs easily into the skin, and a little goes a long way. And if you want to get the effectiveness of this vitamin C serum, this beauty formula vitamin C serum, then you should use it alongside with the beauty formula moisturizer, and it comes in 30 ml. Will soften your skin, smoothing your skin, brighten your skin. It absorbs into the skin easily, it moisturizes your skin, and it brightens your skin. I would recommend you use this vitamin C serum in the daytime, although they wrote morning and night, so you can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, but I would recommend you use vitamin C serum in the morning. Okay, so if you're looking for a vitamin C serum to use in your skincare routine, then you should consider this beauty formula vitamin C serum. Okay, the next vitamin C serum on my list is a Cosrx vitamin C23 serum. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This Cosrx vitamin C serum It's hypoallergenic. It comes in 20 ml bottle. It contains pure vitamin C. It's an antioxidant. It reduces early signs of aging. It can be thick and sticky at first, but it absorbs into the skin quickly. It helps to soften your skin, smoothen your skin. It also helps to hydrate and moisturize your skin. It is recommended to keep in the fridge after each use. This concentrated vitamin C serum helps to fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation. It helps to diminish fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to firm your skin. It plump your skin, brighten your dull skin. The key ingredients in this concentrated vitamin C serum is vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and allothin, which will help plump your skin, hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, and exfoliate your skin. So if you're looking for a vitamin C serum to include in your skincare routine, then you should consider this concentrated vitamin C serum. Okay, so the next vitamin C serum on my list is the advanced clinical vitamin C serum. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This advanced clinical vitamin C serum, it helps to clear dark spots, it helps to firm your skin, it helps to even out your skin tone, it helps to give you a brighter, youthful, glowing skin. It helps to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, glow your skin, plump your skin. So if you are looking for anti-aging vitamin C serum, you should either go for this advanced clinical vitamin C serum or you go for the concentrated vitamin C serum. This advanced clinical vitamin C serum, it contains AHA, which might make your skin sensitive to sun. So if you're using this advanced clinical vitamin C serum, it is recommended you use it alongside with a good sunscreen that has SPF 30 plus and above, because of the ingredient contained in this, which will make your skin sensitive to sun. And if you're using this advanced clinical vitamin C serum, you should limit your exposure to the sun. The key ingredients in this vitamin C serum is ferulic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid, which are basically AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which will make your skin sensitive to the sun. All these sunscreen I mentioned in this video, please use it alongside with your sunscreen. Any skincare routine you're using in daytime, please apply your sunscreen so you won't get burned under the sun. Any skincare product you're using, it is recommended to go along with your sunscreen, especially daytime. Please don't use your sunscreen at night. Use your sunscreen only daytime. How to use the advanced nickel vitamin C serum is take a little on your palm and gently pat the product on your skin, but focus mostly on the problem area, maybe like the hyperpigmentation or the dark spot or the wrinkle, anything on your face that maybe is a skin issue you want to tackle. Then you can apply the serum over there, allow it to absorb into the skin before you go ahead to apply your moisturizer. Okay, you can use this product in the morning or in the night according to what is on the pack, but I will always recommend you use your vitamin C serum in the daytime. Okay, the next vitamin C serum on my list is the Estlin vitamin C serum. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This particular serum, I love it so much because the bottle is not transparent, the packaging is very nice. This serum, it's lightweight, it absorbs into the skin easily. The key ingredients in this Estlin vitamin C serum is it contains vitamin C, allothin, and niacinamide, which are very good and effective ingredients. It also helps to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, glow and brighten your skin. I don't know the current price right now, but I think it's being sold for like 4,500 and above. But it's very nice and it's also affordable. So if you're looking for an affordable, very good vitamin C serum, then you should go for this Estlin vitamin C serum. Okay, the next vitamin C serum on my list is the Dr. David vitamin C serum. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This particular Dr. David vitamin C serum is affordable but very effective. I love this particular serum so much. It's affordable, but seriously, it is very nice. This is how it looks here. I tried this serum like twice. I used it like once or twice, and I love it. And I keep recommending it in any video that has to do with serum because I like the serum. The serum is very nice. It's a brightening face serum. It's professional anti-aging. Don't expect too much anyway. It contains vitamin C and vitamin E, which will help brighten your skin and hydrate your skin. It contains hyaluronic acid. It helps to soften your skin, it helps to brighten your skin, it helps to plump your skin. You see this vitamin C, this Dr. David vitamin C serum. It's if you're on a budget and you want a vitamin C serum that you include in your skincare routine that will still give you, that will still be effective and give you effective results, then you should go for this Dr. David vitamin C serum. This vitamin C serum, this particular one, it has different pack, but this one, this particular Dr. David, look at it very well. This one, it's very nice, it's affordable, but it's very effective. I've used it. I think I've used 2 of it or 3 of this vitamin C serum. That's why I always recommend it. I cannot mention the vitamin C serum without mentioning this Dr. D, because when I was using it, I love the effect on my skin. It plumps the skin, it hydrates the skin, and it also brightens your skin when you continuously use them. Any skincare product that you're using, please be consistent with it. Don't use a product once and maybe use it like 1 week or some days or 2 weeks and it's not giving you what you want and you feel like it doesn't work. Some product takes time before you see the result on your skin. Please be consistent with your skincare product. Nobody should lie to you. No magic, except maybe it's a wrong skincare product or maybe it's a wrong skincare measure that they want you to include. In fact, any skincare product that lightens your skin in days, run away from it. Like, run away from any skincare product that will brighten your skin or whiten your skin in days, because those kind of skincare products are very cancerous and it's very harmful and it will damage your skin. All these vitamin C serum I've mentioned in this video, they are actually nice and they are very effective. So you can pick any of them that you feel will fit your skin and according to your budget. Okay, so guys, have you used any of these vitamin C serum I've mentioned in this video? If you have, please do not to share your experience with us in the comment section. Which of them is your favorite? So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.